Hey there, students! Today, I'm going to break down how you can formulate a research problem like a pro. Whether you're diving into the world of academia or tackling a project for your class, understanding how to nail down your research problem is crucial. So let's get started. First off, there are two main types of research problems. One focuses on states of nature, like figuring out what's happening in the environment around us. The other deals with relationships between variables. Think of it like discovering how different factors interact with each other. Before diving in, you need to pick the general area of interest. Start broad and then narrow it down. Imagine wanting to study climate change. Initially, that's super broad, right? But then you might narrow it to how climate change affects polar bear populations in the Arctic. Next up, understand your problem thoroughly. This means discussing it with your colleagues, friends, or anyone with expertise. If you're in school, your professor or guide can be a huge help. They often have several research problems in mind and can help you narrow down your topic. In the business world or government organizations, the problem might be given to you by administrative agencies. Here you'll discuss how the problem came about and what factors are involved in its solution. Now, let's talk literature review. This step is all about getting to know your problem inside and out by examining existing studies and theories. You'll look at conceptual literature, which covers theories and concepts, and empirical literature, which includes similar studies done in the past. The goal? To gather all the data and materials you need to frame your research problem in a meaningful context. Once you've done your homework, rephrase the problem into specific analytical terms. For example, instead of how climate change affects polar bears, you might say, investigating the impact of rising temperatures on the hunting patterns of polar bears in the Arctic. Formulating the research problem is a critical step. It helps you filter relevant data from irrelevant ones and ensures your study stays on track. Remember to define any pertinent terms clearly and verify the objectivity and validity of your background facts. As Professor W.A. Neiswanger puts it, the statement of your objective is crucial. It determines the data you'll collect, the relationships you'll explore, the techniques you'll use, and even the form of your final report. So, to recap, start broad, narrow it down, discuss and review existing literature, and rephrase into specific terms. Each step should bring you closer to a clear, concise, and actionable research problem. And that's it for today's lesson on how to formulate a research problem like a pro. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tricks on acing your studies. Thanks for watching and happy researching.